Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all backup methods on the Poco F7 Ultra. Okay, so we can begin. So first let's go straight into our settings, and now we need to scroll down into the additional settings, again scroll down, and then we will find backup and restore. So that's what we are interested in, and as you can see we have the local option, cloud, and the Google backups. So let's begin with the mobile device. In here, select what you want to backup. So you can select Mi browser, security, weather, camera, and any other apps. You can pick basically anything. And also the third-party apps and app data. In here also you can select things that you are interested in. Okay, so once everything is selected, okay, I'm not gonna want to backup the third-party apps and app data. So simply now click on this blue button, backup. Now the process has started, as you can see. So now we need to wait until it gets to 100%. Okay, now we need to click on finish, and that's it. It is stored on the phone. Also, we have option for computer. You can see it right in here how to do it. Okay, and the next option is the MIUI Cloud. So also let's click on that. Okay, as you can see, for now we don't have any backup, 0 megabytes from 5 gigabytes possible. So now we want to click on backups. Also, if you want, you can turn on the automatic backups. So below you can find the backup schedule, and in here you can pick how many times a week the backup must be made automatically. So now it's every 7 days, but also if you want, you can select to every day. Okay, also below you can manage cloud backups, but there are nothing here currently because I don't have any backups for right now. And now all we need to do is to click on backup now. Okay, now the process has started, as you can see. And now this might take 5 to 10 minutes. But it shouldn't take that long because there are not much data to backup. We have 90% already. So let's keep waiting. Okay, and the backup is successfully done. Okay, below we have also the date when it was created, including the hour, and below we have the backup size. Okay, so now let's click on done, and that's all. Okay, so now the last thing is the Google backup, so simply click on that. In here you must be logged into your Google account, and remember not to lose your password to it, otherwise you won't be able to restore it in the future. So now simply click on backup now. Okay, and now the process has started. You can see this thin little bar in here, and now we need to wait until it gets to the opposite edge, the right side of the screen. Okay, so again we need to wait. Okay, and now we can see on the bottom that your data is backup, so we don't need to do anything more. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.